Hey there, everybody. It's just going to be a quick video on GitHub. And GitHub is, as I've said already in class, the primary or one of the primary places on the internet for people to work collaboratively on open source software and also closed source software. It is a place for collaboration, though. And if you need to create a user account, by all means do so and log in. And when you are done with that, you should be signed in as your username. And from here, you can go to your profile and you can see some stuff. It'll tell you how much work you've done in the last year, which is nice. It can tell you can have some sort of pinned projects up here. And you can also visit your repositories. I just want to show you, I'm going to go to this Jeremy Bearimy starter, which is what we're going to be using on Thursday. And in here you can see I've got some code. This is actually, a little website with an index.html and some images in a folder. The thing I want to mention right here is a GitHub repo can have multiple branches, and you can see this one has 7 branches. And so at the master branch is where we're gonna start. Later on in Thursday's class, we'll go to these other branches, or these. You can go to these other branches and download that code if you want to see what that looks like. But in general, when you're at GitHub, you can download the code through this interface here, download zip, or you can use a command line tool to download it using this link. Today we're just going to use this. Later on we'll get to the command line and really use Git for all that it's good for. But today we just want to download zip, and you can see this is downloading. I can double click to open it. And here's my file. And if I open this, if I open this in VS Code, you can't see this, it's down the bottom of my screen, but I'm going to drag and drop it onto VS Code, and it should just pop right up in the code editor. And that's the code that I downloaded. All right. I'm going to come back in a minute with a tutorial on starting your own project in VS Code, and later on with one on uploading your project to GitHub pages and hosting it there.